Brand new coupe outside. I told my shooter to slide. Gas to the vet, let's ride. Gas to the vet, let's ride. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. All the rich niggas outside. All the bad hoes pop out. Yeah, go crazy, I'm about to freak out. Geek up.
Plans changed, so we're gonna do this one specific video. We're not gonna say the title or a little preview of it. We're just gonna blinker for a J, 2 blinkers for a J, and $10. So apparently we're gonna go to a fucking like a content creator, like songwriters, song producers, a fucking gathering or like a party at a fucking rancho an hour away from us in the city of Santa Clarita. I'm guessing these people are involved with like the street mob and like Fuerza Regida and like all those people, so we'll see what's up. I put that I was a content creator. I haven't even started. Holy shit. What did they ask? Like, oh, let's see your video. I'm just like, I'm just gonna show them the ones I have kind of already made. With shit, look at that Rolls Royce. See that Rolls Royce? That's what we need to drive, John. That's what we need to drive, John. Where are we going, Juan?
We're gonna fucking go to some B&B mansion. Bunch of artists. Heard my boy Javi's there. Fucking, we all gonna jam out.
Come on, let's go. Yo se la compro.
Ah, gracias, te la voy.
Se la compro. ¿Quiere salir en el video?
Oh, gracias.
Vamos a salir. Véngase. ¿Cuál quiere? ¿Cuál quiere? Hey,
la pintura.
Vamos a ver. Vamos
a ver, dijo el doctor.
Vamos a comprarle su cerveza.
Aquí, mira, me pusieron también en video, porque mi novia, una novia que nunca le dije, búsquenme a Marusela Orduño Carrillo. ¿Dónde anda en México? Es que yo puedo entrar al
Eso es lo que me dijiste allá, nena, que
tenías familia historia, tengo verdades, muchas.
¿De dónde es?
De Ciudad Obregón, Sonora, señor.
A la bestia. Esa de Natanael.
Ya te va. Zaragoza
Sonora.
y Tabasco, busquen mi casa, el edificio grande, mi cuarto, ahí está. Quiero un perrito, alguien que puede.
¿Cuál cerveza quiere? Se la compro. ¿Qué es aquí?
Un 6.
¿Un 6?
¿Qué?
¿Quiere un 6?
Yo tengo ganas de un 6.
¿Y si
quiero en mi...
le gusta el modelo?
En la modelo, sí.
Ok, le voy a comprar las 3 tall cans, las 3 para 3 para usted.
Mira, y tú eres el pirata o está pirateado. No, mira, es la verdad. Búsqueme a la Marusela, entró a la Ibero.
¿Quiere comida también? Le compro unas papas. ¿Quiere unas papas?
Papas, ping pong papas.
Ok, ahí está.
Este es el pintor.
Quédese aquí. Hey, stay with him.
Bro, he was going crazy. He comes and goes. He always comes.
No.
Yeah, he's a little. This is stealing.
Oh shit.
Alright, refund.
Los indios. Mira, Saguru, el coin, el Bitcoin, que no es oro.
¿El Bitcoin no es oro?
Ya no existe. No es oro.
Bitcoin es oro.
No es oro. El Bitcoin no es oro. Este mundo va a ir tablas 0-0, 1-1.
¿Ya no la quieres?
No, ¿cómo no? Dijiste que iba a ser.
Que nunca se desperdicie el pisto.
No, hombre, el pisto, mira el otro, ¿dónde está el pisto? No, el pisto no, el dinero en Puerto Rico, a ver qué cayó al mar, que no puedo volar.
¿Quiere el pisto? ¿Quiere el pisto,
güey? La zambada, espérate. La niña de 7 años, la zambada.
Ya los vamos.
Ándale.
Capítulo.
He's going to the world. He's going out of space. Look.
Va a ir a otro país. Los Ángeles. En Monterrey,
No, pero va a ir a otro.
O la tropa loca. Sí, hombre. Mira, hay una oferta.
I don't know what the fuck.
Este muchacho hace dinero, el pintor. Sí. Y píntame. ¿Qué crees que tengo aquí el señorito? Tequila, te voy a enseñar. Les dijo el que enseñó el perfecto. ¡A la verga! ¡Échese carrera, loco! ¡Échese en las carreras!
We about to turn the fuck up, man. A little less soda, more alk. What should we do?
And you
So,
came up with an idea.
my friend and
they
I came
liked
up
it,
with it.
right?
Yeah. Oh,
That's
yeah.
good,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
That's how it's gotta be.
Dude,
you
yeah,
know?
I was like, it was just a voice memo, and I'm like,
Yeah.
what do you think? Like, no, take it or leave it.
That song from the game. Yeah.
You know that I have lost composure, but I'll hold you closer while I can.
Yeah, it's just like a little hook.
That I'm slightly broken.
What you cooking?
Yeah.
I never seen this.
No?
No. At a fucking mansion, I don't even know it. Look at the restaurant. Holy moly, look at this shit, man. This shit is mad crazy. Shit, man. I'm gonna live in one of these houses one day, me. All me.
What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna wait till LA with motherfuckers like a fucking maniac. Nigga, I just got back, bro. I ain't trying to fucking die today. Boys, our car is literally breaking down. Ew, you fucking splatter everywhere.
Turn it off.
No, ma'am, you have to manual restart the car, way?
Oh, this shit's scary, fool.
Nigga, just use it in driveway. You don't know how to do manual pin.
No, it's because it's not that. It just starts. It just does that randomly.
Shit. Look what we got here, boys. 1/8 and 1 full pre-roll.
That shit bright as hell.
Yep, it's a miss.
I don't see no fuck. That cold out motherfucker. How we gonna start this 3-pole?
Let's see, John. Light that John up. Tight shit. Let's see, John. Hold up here. Oh, look. We like some bums right here. Look at this shit.
Nice, Jags. Oh, Juggies.
Oh, Jack! The wind is. The wind is taking us. Shit, you see that, guys? Look, all that's just smoke, and then all of it's coming this way to us. Look, we're gonna
Face this all, huh, John?
look at LA, guys. Let's give you guys a closer view. Oh my God, you're fucking. You know what you're doing, Jags. You're lipping it, bro. Jags, you're lipping it. It's saliva, dude. It's all over your lips. Dude, like, are you serious, Jags? Oh my God, Jags. No more doing that, please.
Please, Jags.
Please, Javier. Yes, that's the method. Dry up before use.
We're gonna be there later, boys.
Tight shit. This guy Jags knows everything about over there. He works there, so. Huh, Jags? We head into
Hella
Well, fuck, we hit
traffic. We're trying to.
hella
We're trying
traffic.
to stop this wildfire, man.
But he doesn't want to cut tight shit because he can't.
I can't cut.
Then start doing it tight shit, Jags. What are you doing? Look, I ain't see nothing. Dude.
What am I gonna do over here? Like, this guys are evacuating, nigga.
Look at all the people. Look at all the people.
are leaving. No one's
Dude,
going that way. Nobody's
Everyone's
going that way.
evacuating and we're fucking going that way, John.
Like, why are they going?
You see
Fire!
the
Yes,
You
I
see the bags?
Holy fucking
Look at the fire, guys.
mames, verga.
Very bad. Look at it. It's fucking red as fuck. Look at this shit, guys. Hey.
No, bastardo. This is getting so fucking bad.
Hey, look.
My God.
Hold on, guys, record again.
Oh my God.
This
look,
is
look,
bad for the people.
Look. Oh my God, guys. Look at this shit.
Oh my God, wait.
John, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Record. Stupid Jack. No, it's right there. Oh my God, it's so big.
Let's get out.
There's a lot of wind and shit.
This one too, look, guys.
This one, Jax?
And this time. Right here, look. Right here, this one. The girl's hot as fuck right here. This one.
Oh, really, Jax?
Right there.
This one?
Look at this one.
Oh my
West
God,
Coast
look at this
Customs,
shit,
look.
guys.
Yeah, West Coast Customs, look, this van.
Where's the fucking biggest fire behind us?
You know that shit? West Coast
Fool,
Customs?
fuck all that. Look at the fire. Look at the wind, dude. It's just spreading the fire. Look at this shit. This is the cause of the fire, the wind. Well, now this is actually crazy. This is it, boys. It's 2025. Coming through here with a fucking massive ass fire.
Put it up, John. He's ready to drop water.
A few moments later.
Boys. Fuck! And we are stuck in the freeway, boys.
Perro yonke, Jagger. No mames. Ya.
I think we're ready, Jags.
Huh?
We're ready now. Ready?
Go, Jags.
The sun, bruh.
I know.
Hey, true. But look at this shit. This shit is fucking insane, bro. Look at this, guys. This shit's fucking crazy. We on our way to fucking Altadena. We finna put out the fire type shit.
What's a hiking trail?
We're going on a hiking trail, see what's good over there type shit. Dude, that shit's on fire, the house. Oh, go. You can't even go down this way.
Why not?
There's people walking their dogs. They're just looking at their houses being fucked. This guy in the Porsche is still here.
Yeah, the Porsche still sadly have this looking.
But he's break all the way, bruh. To be scared, huh, John? Look
Fuck
at this.
yeah, this home just fucking went in
This
flames.
home just fucking evaporated.
Somebody cables in his
Just go,
face.
you're good. It's good like this, John.
It's gonna fire over there.
Just go. That's good. Just go.
Right, boys. Fortunate events, we got pulled over. My boy was driving too hectic.
Fuck. No, it looks smacked.
Nah, bro, he didn't. Nah, you don't. You're good. That's why you asked how much power there is within you.
Does it close?
Yeah,
It looks like it's partially open. There you go.
Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna issue a citation for crossing over.
Alright.
Nothing else. Alright. I know you're working on your stuff. By signing the red box is not a mission of guilt. Just promise to take care of it. Pins at the top of the book. I have no idea. That's up to the courts.
Alright, boys. We're on the other side. Still trying to get inside. Can't find a fucking patch. Trying to figure this shit out. We'll see this shit. Honestly, bro.
We're gonna find our way in there, boys.
We gotta scope it out all around. Let's see right here. This shit looks crazy, my boy. Damn, bro, it's crazy. You clear yourself?
Hut.
Construction's like that. I'm gonna fucking get this. We're gonna go in there, John. We're gonna get in there. March, John.
Push it more in, Jax. Push it hard, buddy.
That was not quiet at all, dude. That was not quiet at all, dude.
And we got trolled.
I already know